गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज है 16th March 2017 एंड निफ्टी हैज ओपन गैप अप। सो गैप अप, और उसका रीज़न यही था कि आफ्टर द फेड मीटिंग इट हैज़ जस्ट ओपन अप with about good 50 points up. So this is, as it was evident, we've been talking about Nifty every day, that Nifty doesn't look, there are no, feelers where you can understand कि नीचे जाएगी निफ्टी। अभी इसको थोड़ा और 9200 तक हो सकता है जाए, आज टच करे और फिर वहां से थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आए। ऑल्दो आज भी मैं देख रही हूँ मार्केट में काफी कुछ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग चल रहा है। सो निफ्टी जो है अभी आई वुड सजेस्ट नॉट टू एंटर एनी ट्रेड of long or short or whatever until you get clear signals. जो आपके existing trades है उसमें बने रहिए। जैसे हमारा जो कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक का ट्रेड था कल, परसों हमने किया था, है ना। मैंने आपको परसों ये बोला था 832 पे, इस पॉइंट पे बोला था, ये जगह थी। यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बोला था कि मैं खरीद रही हूँ और आपको खरीदना हो तो आप खरीद सकते हैं। और ये वो पॉइंट था जहाँ पे ये हाइक लगा के 581 का हाइक लगा के इतना नीचे गिर के आई थी यहाँ पे। And that is when I said that I'm going to be buying it, and if you want to buy, you can buy it. So I did the entire analysis also for you. Why am I finding it very attractive and why I want to buy it? So that was Kotak Mahindra Bank. And अब आज देख लीजिए इसने almost आपको 30 points दे दिए from the point at which we bought. There was an ample gap between my buying and uploading the video, and I'm sure you must have all seen it happening. So what I want to tell you here कि ये एक ऐसा ट्रेड था जहाँ पे स्ट्रेस फ्री आप बैठे हुए हो। अभी कल क्या हुआ इस ट्रेड में कि ये यहाँ मैंने खरीद रखा था, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ। तो यहाँ से जाते जाते मुझे कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं था, बट द मोमेंट यहाँ पे आए एक रेड कैंडल बनी, ये बड़ी सी कैंडल बनी और ये वाली कैंडल नीचे बनी, ठीक है। बट आप देखेंगे तो इस कैंडल ने अभी छोड़ा नहीं है 10 मूविंग एवरेज को, फिर ये थोड़ा और ऊपर चल दी, यहाँ पे आके इस कैंडल ने 10 मूविंग एवरेज को छोड़ दिया, राइट। सो माई टारगेट वॉजंट दिस, माई टारगेट वॉज गुड अबाउट 30 to 40 points. तो what did I do? I fine tuned it. How did I fine tuned it? I went to 5 minutes chart. ये 5 minutes का चार्ट है और ये जगह है, देखिए ये जगह है, एक बार गिरा, दूसरी बार गिरी, और अगर दूसरी बार देखेंगे तभी भी इसने इस जगह पे सेम पॉइंट पे सपोर्ट लिया 842, which was still about 10 points above when we have bought. Twice it took support and then again it went up, and before it closed it made this massive peak which kind of indicated that tomorrow morning it'll be opening up with a gap up. Now see here, one day graph, ये इसका आज है, ये last when it finished it was at 844, when it opened today it was at 849. There was no trade for about 5.5 point in between, right? So this is gap up opening, and which is a very very strong bullish sign, ठीक है। As long as Nifty will go up, this trade will go up, and कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है, कोई ये नहीं है कि अभी खरीदा अभी बेचा। एंड इसका जो मार्जिन है दैट वाज अबाउट फॉर अबाउट कैरी फॉरवर्ड के लिए इज अबाउट 85,000 रुपीज, एंड 85,000 रुपीज के साथ अगर आपको 30 पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं ऑन लॉट ऑफ 800 मीन्स it's about 24,000 rupees, which is a good 30% profit, right? So with such sure shot trade you can never lose your capital, right? You have very well defined stop losses. My stop loss here was 832, then when I reached here my stop loss here was this, then again here, then here, and so on and so forth. So I basically have two accounts. I have one account in my name and one account in my daughter's name. So I bought it in my daughter's name, and yesterday when I saw this happening again, दो जगह ले रहा है support, then I again bought it at the same point. At the same point I bought it again, but I bought from my account, I bought a call. So I'll show you, ये positions है, आप देख सकते हैं अभी भी it's in, I bought it at 14.80 call, and it is at 2,320 rupee profit, right? So this is my trade, this is my trade, this is how I do the trading, this is how I confidently do my trading without getting hassled कि अब नीचे जा रही है कि अब ऊपर जा रही है कि क्या हो रहा है, और मुझे पता है कि ये ट्रेड अगर मैं लूँगी ये कहीं ऊपर कहीं जा ही नहीं सकता. अब yesterday, you know, I had got so many emails and so many messages on the comment box. Somebody asked me to analyze idea. So this is idea. So I have put idea का cash. ठीक है. Now you have to convince me and you have to convince yourself why do you want to buy this trade. ठीक है. अगर आज आप खरीदना चाहते हैं तो आज आपका कोई ट्रेड नहीं बनता है. हमने यहाँ पे ओपन अप हुए, ये कोई ट्रेड नहीं है. ट्रेड अगर आपका बन रहा था तो कल बन रहा था इस जगह पे, जहाँ पे RSI, ये RSI ऊपर गई, MACD ऊपर गई, एंड इस कैंडल ने भी 200 मूविंग एवरेज को क्रॉस कर लिया. एट दिस पॉइंट यू कुड हैव बॉट 107 पे आप खरीद सकते थे, एंड देन इट कुड हैव टेकन यू गुड 5 पॉइंट्स अप, राइट. नाउ whenever I do, I always look at the 1 day graph, because you know for me 1 day graph matters a lot. So ये 1 day graph है, ठीक है, which sounds okay because you know there is a huge this bullish candle which is being made on 1 day graph, and I think it's fine. You know what you if you can take a long position, could have taken yesterday a long position, it was fine, right. Then let's go Zeal. Somebody asked me to analyze Zeal. ये Zeal है, right. So Zeal also looks fine on 1 day, but let's see what's happening on 15 minutes, because when you want to do intraday you should do 15 minutes. ये है 15 minutes का ग्राफ. सो आप कैसे अपने आप को जस्टिफाई करेंगे? अगर आपका ट्रेड कहीं पे बनता था तो इस जगह पे बनता था, इस जगह पे, जब ये सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर जा रही थी, राइट. जब MACD क्रॉस हो रही थी, जब ये MACD क्रॉस हो रही है, यहाँ पे RSI क्रॉस हो रही है, एंड ये कैंडल्स ऊपर छोड़ दे रही है, तो आप 523 पे यू कुड हैव बॉट and you could have kept it till about 526 or 527. That was your trade, right? 4 points ka. But I told you I am more keen to do the trades which are long term. Now see here what I want to show you. This Kotak Mahindra Bank again. Now there is no trade right now. If you look into it, there is no trade right now. अगर किसी को लेना था तो कल शाम को एक ट्रेड बनता था यहाँ पे, इस जगह पे 843 पे, जहाँ पे RSI MACD दोनों क्रॉस हो रहे हैं, और ऑलमोस्ट यू कैन से दिस इज टेकिंग अ सपोर्ट, राइट. सो दैट कुड हैव बीन वन पॉसिबल ट्रेड. तो you have to really write your strategy on a paper and see what is going to be happening in future. You have to have perception. आपको अपना intuitions को भी यूज करना पड़ेगा. So whatever I am telling you, एक होती है रिसर्च जो कि आप डॉक्यूमेंट्री रिसर्च करते हैं, आप बल्क डील्स देखते हैं, आप इंट्राडे डील्स देखते हैं, आप मोमेंटम देखते हैं, आप सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं. एक होता है इंट्यूशन, एक होता है कि आप अपने माइंड में एसिमुलेट करते हैं कि क्या फ्यूचर हो सकता है. वो आपको जो इंट्यूशन है ना, वो आता है जब आप इंटेंटली और बहुत पैशनेटली स्टॉक मार्केट में लगातार काम करते रहते हैं. Like I've been working for 15 years in stock market, and many a times I have lost money, but then I have analyzed my trades. Why did I lose money? And then learned from there, made my very strict rules. So the first rule that I have understood and I know is the patience, and second rule is correct analysis, right? Now I gave you this trade on of Kotak Mahindra on today 16th. I gave it to you on 14th. You can check my video of 14th March, right? I didn't take it in a jiffy. मतलब आप देखिए ये पूरा समय ये यहीं पे आराम से घूमता रहा, फिर धीरे धीरे ऊपर गया, फिर यहाँ तक आया, फिर next day it took a good run up, and today again it's in a good run. So that is how because it's a long term trade, because I've analyzed it, I spent good one full weekend on analyzing trades. And I also want to show you कि ICIL, which is India Indocount, which is also doing so well. Like जहाँ से मैंने आपको 176 पे बोला था या 175 पे बोला था, यहाँ से 15 पॉइंट अप है, ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 8 to 9% का रन अप ले चुका है ये. इवन मनापुरम मैंने आपको जहाँ से बोला था वहाँ से करीब ये इट्स गुड अबाउट 2 to 3% up. एंड साउथ बैंक तो चल रहा है, ठीक है, अभी इसको लाइक इट हैज टू पिक अप द स्पीड. यू कैन सी मवाना शुगर कल इसने 91 का हाइक लगाया था, आज थोड़ा सा डाउन है. सो वी विल वेट until we now we'll wait for Nifty to consolidate. निफ्टी जब थोड़ा सेटल हो जाएगी, हाइक लगा के नीचे आएगी, थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हो जाएगी, then we will start with our investment plan. I'm not in a hurry. You must have seen with all my trades, I'm never in a hurry. I want to buy time. I want to analyze. I want to make sure that we take it at the right time. We enter at the right time, and after making good profit, we exit at the right time. Right? That is how a successful trader is. So those who are really impatient, I want to tell you, please keep watching the videos of Warren Buffett and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. They both are investors. They both, जितना ज़्यादा आपका होराइजन होगा इन्वेस्टमेंट का, उतना ज़्यादा आपका सक्सेस रेट होगा. जितना ज़्यादा आपका शॉर्टर पीरियड होगा. Many people ask me penny stock or options. I don't really want to do until I'm 100% convinced. Like the way I told you, I've done this trade in. I've bought this Kotak Mahindra call of 840. So that is why, because I was 100% sure about this trade, and that is why I bought it. But otherwise, I will not do options. I don't want to do because I want to make quick money with lesser amount. I would rather work hard and have a good amount of money in my account and then do a peaceful trading. So I want you people to suggest, since I've promised you, I will at least do one session where we do investment trading. So those who are new to this trade, please open up your account wherever you want. 1, 2, that you have at least about 20,000 in your account, so that we can invest in 3 to 4 scripts, right? And then we will see over a month how much we have made. Okay? This is what my plan is. So please, like, since I'm telling you, we'll still take time. We'll wait for Nifty to go down and then take the upward direction, and then we will invest. So you have time. You have good time of about, maybe we'll let this month, March series expire, and then we start probably our investment in April. So आप लोग अपना एक account खोलिए, दूसरा उसमें कम से कम 20,000 रुपीज रखिए, and you don't need to do every day. हम इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे उसमें, हम ट्रेडिंग नहीं करेंगे. कभी कोई छोटा मोटा अच्छा ट्रेड आएगा तो वो करेंगे, बट अदरवाइज वी विल नॉट डू ट्रेडिंग. So this is what my plan is, guys, and if you and your remarks and your comments are very, very encouraging. But somebody has said that my knowledge is very average. So I really want to say that definitely my knowledge is very average, because I am not a person who works in stock market. And what I can also tell you with confidence, that all those guys you see on TV giving you tips are even much, much below average than what knowledge I have. But because stock market is so huge, nobody can even get the 1% hang of it, right? So what I believe is, it's not how much you know, but how accurate your trades are. And I feel that I'm being able to do justice to my trades. I'm not saying it out of arrogance, but I'm telling you out of confidence. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and I really want to learn more and more about. If you people have something more to add on, please keep sending me, telling me. I'll try to improvise myself and definitely keep learning along with you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching all my videos, and please share with others. There are many people who are still losing money in stock market. Please don't let it happen. Thank you so much. Please don't lose your money in stock market. Please do that promise to yourself. Have a good day. Bye.